What's going on, pet lovers? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best LED dog vests in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these dog vests, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video and leave your answer in the comment section. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video. Also, if you have any questions about any of these products whatsoever, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below the video and we'll respond to you as soon as we possibly can. And with that said, enjoy the slideshow. The first LED dog vest we're going to show you today is the Rechargeable LED Dog Vest by Noxgear. Next up, we've got the No Pole LED Dog Harness Vest by PoyPet. The third LED vest we're going to show you today is the Orange Safety Vest with LED lights by Illumiseen. Next up, we've got the Rechargeable LED Dog Harness by Domi. Last but not least, we've got the Rechargeable LED Dog Vest by Blazin. So, now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which LED dog vest you ended up liking the best. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the next slide for related product videos that you just might be interested in.